This is your English teacher Rajni, DAV Public School, Dr. NTTPS, Ibrahimpatnam. In the last class, you learned lesson 5, The Hungry Caterpillar. In that, vocabulary you learned and the characters in the story also you learned. What are the characters in the story? Furry, the caterpillar, you can see in the picture, and Furry, the caterpillar, Blackie, the ant, Hoppity, the grasshopper, Dotty, the red ladybird. Is it? Now see. Furry, the green caterpillar, Blackie, the ant, Hoppity, the grasshopper, Dotty, the red ladybird. Now see each and every para with explanation. Once upon a time, there was a caterpillar named Furry. The green caterpillar wiggled into a big garden. He crawled to a leafy bush and stayed there. Once upon a time, there was a caterpillar. We know the name of the caterpillar is Furry. Is it? What it is doing? It is wiggling into the big garden. Wiggling means already you know the meaning also. What is the meaning of wiggle? Moving with short up and down movements. It is moving. It is roaming in the big garden. He crawled to a leafy bush and stayed there. This caterpillar is crawling just like small baby. It is crawling to a leafy bush. Already I had given and shown in the picture also. It is crawling to a leafy bush and stayed there. The caterpillar is wiggling in the big garden and crawled to a leafy bush and stayed there. Okay, leafy bush, that means ఆకులున్న పొద దగ్గర చేరిందంట. Okay, and stayed there. It is staying there only. Then what happened? Furry, the green caterpillar, was greedy. And here the caterpillar was very greedy. That means the caterpillar likes to eat more food. He loved to eat more green leaves. We eat mostly biscuits or junk food. You children, junk food do you like more? Here the caterpillar loved to eat more green leaves. Here also the caterpillar is eating more green leaves without stopping. Continuously it is eating. That's why we are calling Furry the caterpillar is greedy. And then Blackie the ant called Furry the caterpillar for playing, but Furry kept on eating. While it is eating, Blackie, his friend, came and asked to come for playing. But it refused and kept on eating. Blackie called for playing, but Furry refused and continued in eating. Then Hoppity the grasshopper also shouted that he jumped very far and asked Furry the caterpillar whether he would jump with him. But Furry was very busy in eating. Even Hoppity also came and told that he jumped very far and asked whether he too will join with him. But again Furry refused and he was very busy in eating. That means we all know Furry was very greedy. It is very busy in eating. Even when when Blackie asked, it did not come. And then Hoppity the grasshopper came. It didn't come. It is very busy in eating. Then Dotty the red ladybird warned Furry the caterpillar that his skin would burst if he didn't stop eating. At last Dotty the red bird gave warning, if he continued eating and eating, his skin would burst. His skin would burst. Then what happened? See, one day that's just happened. Actually, Dotty, the red ladybird, warned if he continued to eat like that, his skin would burst. That had already happened one day. Okay, Furry grew so fat that his sides split. Split means, already I told the meaning in the last class. Split means broke into parts with force. It became very fat and his sides were breaking with force. His bright green skin changed to a dull brown. His skin is changing to a dull brown. Actually, caterpillar is green in color, no? It is now changing into dull brown. He looked like a dry leaf all rolled up. డ్రై లీఫ్, డ్రై మీన్స్ ఎండిపోయిన లీఫ్ లాగా తయారైందమ్మా. ఇట్ లుక్డ్ లైక్ ఏ డ్రై లీఫ్ ఆల్ rolled up. Then all insects cried, "What has happened to Furry?" and shouted that he looked funny. All the insects gathered and shouted what had happened to Furry and also made fun of him because it became a blade of grass. Okay, see, Blackie the ant tickled Furry with a blade of grass and thought he was playing a trick. Okay, now Blackie came and tickled Furry with a blade of grass. Tickle means kitakitalu. So he took a blade of grass, గడ్డి ఒక ఆకమ్మ తీసుకొని ఏం చేసిందంటే జస్ట్ ఇట్ టికిల్డ్ ద ఫర్రీ అండ్ థాట్ హీ వాస్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఏ ట్రిక్. A butterfly that was flying past told to leave him alone because he was only resting. Here all the insects are making fun of Furry, but the butterfly that was flying past told to leave him alone, to leave Furry alone because it was taking rest. So the insects left him alone. All the insects left him alone. After some days, they forgot all about Furry. Furry also is not visible, so all the insects forgot about Furry. Suddenly, there was a flapping sound coming from the corner where they had seen Furry for the last time. Suddenly, one day, they heard the flapping sound. Flapping sounds means sound made by moving wings up and down sound is coming from the corner where Furry had seen for the last time. Okay? Now they heard a sound where Furry had seen for the last time. Then what happened? The ant ran up to see what was happening. Immediately, the ant, all the insects, one by one, ran up to see what was happening there because the sound came, no? So, first the ant ran up to see what was happening. Then Grasshopper jumped excitedly up the bush. Grasshopper jumped excitedly up to the bush. Then, at last, the ladybird flew as fast as she could to get a look. That means all the insects excitedly ran to the sound where they had seen Furry the last time. Everyone saw a pretty butterfly in surprise and wondered to see bright colors it has: orange, yellow and brown. Everyone, where they had seen Furry the last time, they had seen a pretty butterfly in surprise and also wondered. They surprised to see the bright colors. What are the bright colors? Orange, yellow and brown. That means caterpillar changed into a pretty butterfly. So all the insects were surprised to see the pretty butterfly and also the bright colors. Okay, children? Then see. The butterfly was climbing out of the dry brown leaf that was once Furry, the fat caterpillar. Now the butterfly also climbing. Till now the caterpillar continuously eating the green leaves. Now it changed its form to a butterfly and climbing out of the dry brown leaf that was once Furry, the fat caterpillar. Now it changed its form into a butterfly. Now it is flying from the dry brown leaf. Furry had turned into a lovely butterfly. Now understood, no children? That means caterpillar changed into a butterfly. Okay? Now understood, no children? What is the moral of the story? Each of us has some beauty or talent hidden inside us. Each of us has some beauty or talent hidden inside us. Okay, children? Understood, no? That means caterpillar changed into a butterfly. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.